table board, bing!
I wanna quit the gym.
So thanks for the warm welcome. It's good to have you guys on my team. I come to play. I hope you do too. Now let's go out there and get them, huh? And remember, there is no I in team.
Yes, but there's 2 in martini, so everybody back to my office.
So, thanks for the warm welcome. It's good to have you guys on my team. And I come to play. I hope you do too. Now let's go out there and get him, huh? And remember, there is no I in team.
Yes, but there's 2 in martini. So everybody back to my office.
You, Chuckles, what's your name?
Oh, it's Bing. So, I'm sorry, I'm just...
No, I heard what you said. Funny. I like funny. This team's about hard work, but it's also about having fun. Good table board, bing!
Hey! Read your copy tech proposal. Real home run. Ooh. Barely got you that time. Get over here. Come on. Oh, yeah!
Oh, Bing! Oh, read your company proposal. Real home run. Oh, barely got you that time. Get over here. Come on. Oh, yeah! Good one. That was good one. Get ready, team.
I want to quit the gym.
You want to quit?
I want to quit the gym.
You do realize you won't have access to our new full-service Swedish spa. Are you a member of any gym?
No, and I'm not going to be, so you can save your little speech.
Okay, no problem. Could you come here for a second?
Hi, I'm Maria.
I wanna quit the gym.
You wanna quit?
I wanna quit the gym.
Do you realize you are having access to a new full service Swiss spa?
I wanna quit the gym.
Okay, David's members office. Handy squares. Excuse me, are you a member?
Me? No.
Sorry, members only.
I wanna quit the gym.
Okay, man, you gotta be strong. So, are you a member of any gym?
Me? No, and I'm not going to be, so you can save your little speech.
Okay, no problem. Could you come here for a second?
Hi.
Never start with the head. The victim gets all fuzzy. You can't feel the neck. See? You wanted me. Here I am.
Never start with the head, Victor. Get your fuzzy. You get me the next. See? You wanted me. Here I am. I want to see what you do. And you did. Disappoint. You let 5 people die. Then, you let that take your place. Even to a guy like me, that's cold. Listen. It's mouthful once gone, so take it back to the way from things were. But I know the truth. There's no going back. You could change the world forever. They want to kill me. I don't want to kill you. Why would I do without you? Go back to wedding of it, dealers. No. You complete me.